We're roasting docSmith, an AI README generator, and the first thing I learn is I have to go spelunking through setup instructions before touching the repo. Great start. Very confidence-inspiring. Here's the projects page. docSmith says it generates documentation from a GitHub repository URL. Solid pitch, honestly. The roast begins when we leave the marketing layer and try to run the actual thing. I cloned it, installed back-end and front-end dependencies, and the front-end came up fine. But the back-end immediately face-planted with module nunderstand lang, no module named langchain.prompts. That's not a quirky edge case. That's the app doesn't boot energy. And the funny part is why. Requirements pulled in modern langchain, while main.py is apparently living in a museum exhibit with old imports. This repo has version drift so bad, the dependencies and code are in a long-distance relationship. The visible app is basically a shell for generating docs from a repo URL. Nice title, clean UI, even a star on GitHub callout. But in developer experience terms, it's a showroom car with no engine. I also found another little gift. The front end appears pointed at a hosted API, instead of giving clear local config. So even if you fix the back-end import mess, the setup story still feels like, good luck guessing which server this button talks to. And yes, the docs deserve a roast too. The front-end README is still basically the stock Vite README, which is the open-source equivalent of leaving the mattress tag on and calling it furnished. Final verdict. I got the front-end running and proved the back-end is broken on startup. Useful fix path is straightforward. Update prompt template imports to langchain_core.prompts or pin langchain. Add real local API config and write actual setup docs.